Hey guys, Dale with AMS Performance here. We're going to do a carbon fiber intake install on this Golf R. Alright guys, there you have it. Very simple install. A few things that I would say to keep an eye out for is you are tightening hose clamps onto plastic and carbon fiber, so just be very wary of the tightness. As you saw in the video, I'm using a 8mm hand screwdriver style driver, and just keeps you from over torquing everything. But very easy install. Get yours today. For other information and products on the platform here with Golf R and Golf GTI, be sure to check out amsperformance.com.
Visit amsperformance.com today.